Let's just get right into it. I tried to stream just now and it wouldn't work, so let me just get into it. Can you guys hear the music? I hope so. I'm already in game, so I'm playing what's this called? Gun Run. I love this mode. What's up, guys? Another day, another stream. Oh, there's a guy down here. Okay, I was trying to climb, he couldn't. Oh shit. How did I miss this kid? Ah, how did it get me? That's crazy. Anyways. I hope y'all can hear the music. Guys, oh my god. Yesterday I played VR chat and it was so much fun. I have to make a video about it. I have to make like a clip. Why is this kid standing there like a bot? Come on, what? Come on. Come on, come on, come on. No! My aim is bad. Oh, my aim is so bad. Wait. Can't even see that motherfucker. Oh, shit! You're a piece of shit, you know that? Why are you coming after me, you piece of shit? Oh, shit. Bro, fuck off me, kid. Bro, this kid is hella annoying. This kid is hella annoying, bro. Oh, hell no. Bro, I can't believe I held him off. That's crazy. Oh shit. Don't see me, you don't see me. You don't see me. Wait, is that our team? Wow. I haven't done shite. Shit. Shit. Too bad I didn't get him. So I can get the knife also if my teammates kill everybody. I didn't do shit, man. I didn't do much. Bro, why is my hair so stale today? Anyways, on to the next one. I have to jump into VR chat today again because it was so much fun yesterday. I met some cool people. It was so funny. It was so funny. I did some awesome stuff. I even watched a movie. A movie that's only out in... I think so, in cinemas. I'm not sure. I love it though. I had so much fun yesterday. I gotta repeat it. Okay, on to the next one. Control? Oh, that sucks. Let's go with Patty. Let's go with Patty on this one. Man, I missed my stream yesterday. I was having a bit of a social life, but through VR chat. My bad, guys. My bad. Oh, good though. We're back. I love this mic arm. It's so comfortable. What is this error? There's an error on my OBS. That's crazy. So weird. Let's go with the R301. How can I get my ults quickly? I see some people when they play, they immediately get their ults. Like some Octanes can do that. I don't get it. I need to find out what that is. I'm pretty sure if I go on Reddit right now, I can find out right away how to do that. It must be some kind of game exploit. I'm pretty sure. What? Wow. Wait. Oh shit, which one's the real one? Why am I stuck on this thing? Oh my gosh, bro. My movement is so bad. I should have warmed up. I should have warmed up today. Look at this guy. This guy got what? How many kills is that? Oh no, oh no. Oh no. Oh, right on time. Wait, who fell? No! Oh my god. Oh, what? What the fuck am I doing? My movement is so bad right now. Okay, okay, focus, Lua. Focus! Let's fucking focus. Let's put this mic a little bit more to this side. Where's this kid going? No! Don't fall. No. Bro. Someone up there? Fuck. Did we get this one? No! Don't stand in the middle! I was getting shot from the other side too, but there's smoke there. How the fuck can they see me? That's so weird. I'm not quite sure I get this. How could they see me? Wait. Wait! Oh my gosh, bro. Come on, guys. We gotta defend Zone A. They got all the fucking zones. Like, what? Hell no. Kill him. It would have been smart if I didn't try to like grapple to the door. Because it's obvious I would get stuck on that, on top of the door. Wait, I can't see shit. It's a good thing I have a Digitrust. Oh, oh shit, oh shit. Wait, who's that? Why am I dead sliding? Hell no, bro. Bro. Why is my aim so bad? We should probably go this way. Come on. Bro, what the fuck is going on? No, oh god. That was bad. Shit. Oh fuck, kill him. What? Ah! There's people everywhere. Wow! Fucking bullies, bro. Holy shit. And why is nobody else here helping me out? Fucking bullies. Come on. No, 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 fucking shit. Are there people here? What? What the? Hold up. What? Wait. It's a good thing I have this on the VOD. What? Hold up. Hold up. Wait. This kid is definitely cheating. He's definitely cheating. That explains everything. That explains every fucking thing. That kid is cheating. Why are you popping smoke? We can't see, bro. What? You're kidding me. Okay, let's get closer to the screen. Maybe I could see better. My blind eyes. Here, what? Ah! Oh, what are you looking at? What? Bro, what? Is this kid cheating? He's cheating! What the fuck, bro? What? I mean, if that was controller, only if he's in a certain vicinity, that would work, but because he was that far away and he still beamed me, like, what? That's hella weird. Oh my gosh. Fuck. Bro. Why are you running? Where is he? Fucking shit. Fucking kill him! Holy fuck. This son of a bitch, bro. Son of a bitch. How did he know? Can he see me from there? I really don't get it. Have I not played Apex in so long? Hey, Ray, what's up? How's it going? Thanks for joining. Fucking... Holy shit. Holy shit, that kid is one. Wait. I got bamboozled. Yeah, kill him, the fucking cheater. Oh shit. I need help. Come on, Wraith, move. What is this kid doing? Damn it, this is bad. Like what, bro? There's a kid in there. Kill him, kill him, kill him. What? How did I miss? Oh, that's a bamboozle. Oh, come on, man. No, leave me alone. Come on. Don't death slide now. Oh, God. Run! Run! Oh, my God. I can't believe I escaped that. How's it going, Ray? What's good with you? How's Fortnite? I haven't played in a long time. What the? Hold up, what? That was sussy as fuck. Wait, where am I going? Where is he? No, I can hear the audio, but I can't see these kids. Oh, yo. Holy fuck, dude. Oh my god! Wow! Did he get the Mozambique? I hope he did. Bro, a bunch of Smurfs and Masters and Preds. What is going on? Come on, get in. No. You're fucking kidding me. That's some bullshit. That's the biggest bullshit I've ever seen. Just trying to game before I go to work. Oh, really? Is it early there? It's like in the morning? Or do you work at nighttime? What? I'm doing good. How are you? Thank you. You work daytime or nighttime? I'm not sure what time it is over there. Where you're at. Let's go, baby. Team deathmatch. Team deathmatch. I love Gunrun though. It's my favorite. I wish they could put more of the Gunrun mode. Oh, you said invite. Oh, I'm sorry. Graveyard shift? Okay. Damn. That could be good and bad at the same time. I mean, if you haven't slept enough and rested enough, it's bad. But if you're well rested, that would be good. I myself am a night person, so... No, I kind of needed you on my team, Ray. Would have been great. I keep dead sliding and shit. Wait. Die! Bro. I did not kill this kid. Oof. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Oh. Damn, these kids are hella sweaty. Fuck, is every game so sweaty? Jeez. He's trying to get angles and shit. Oh no, everybody's dead. Oh, oh no, no. I need help. Oh no. Wait, what? Whoa! I mean, that cannot be controller from that distance. Okay. Bro. What? And he disappeared so quick. Wait, this shit is hella sussy. Look at that. That's some bullshit, bro. That's some bullshit. Oh no, a guy left? Can I leave? Thank God, because this is some BS. That's hella stupid. Where you at, Jesse? You coming to join? Come on. I want to move on to the next one. Are you able to join, Mr. Ray? Mr. Sugar Ray? I'm gonna start another match if you don't come in. Come on, Jesse. Come on, Jesse B. Okay, let me turn up the music here and turn it down here. I turn it down here. Turn it up here. Yeah. Like this. Okay, I think this is good. Well, I'm starting a game. I guess he left for a second, but yeah. The next one is Gun Run. No, this is Team Deathmatch. Let me play Ash so I can just trap them. And then shoot him. Need to get my aim on though. I think this mic is disturbing me from a good aim. No excuses. It's the truth. We'll see. Oh wait, sheesh. I didn't want to be Loba actually. I should have played Ash. Oh good. Wait, we're just 5 people? They were 5 people too, right? Look at this. I love that. This is one of those breh rounds. Oh no, there's 6 people. Oh, that sucks. Let's see how this goes. Come on. Someone up here? Oh, fuck no. Wait, what? Oh, this guy's a bad shot. What? Give me your shotty. I don't like your skin. I thought I was a bad shot. He's even worse. Ooh. Wait. Oh shit. Come on! Oh shit. What? I'm such a bad shot. Oh, that kid is one. Come on. Oh. Oh shit. That kid is actually going there. Wait, stop that sliding. Oh, you're almost dead. Oh no. No, 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 no. What?
Maybe next time you should try a different.
How did I not get him? That's some BS. That's just shitty. Shitty, shitty, bang, bang. Come on, why am I so slow? What the fuck is going on, man? Come on. I think I need to choose Octane because these characters are hella slow for my taste right now. What the fuck? Wait. Hold on. Hold up a minute. What? What? Wait. I am so confused right now. How? With a fucking alternator. What? I'm coming for you, Mr. Alternator. Oh. Like, what? These kids insta-killed me. I don't fucking get it. I really don't fucking get it. Get up. You're hella slow. Come on, come on. Come on. Fucking shit, bro. None of my guns were reloaded. That fucking sucks. Bro, what? No, don't get stuck on thing. Are you the one with the alternator? Come on! Ah! Come on, don't. Why am I getting stuck on things, bro? Oh gosh. Hell no. Help me out! I keep getting stuck on things. What? Did he teabag me? Hello, bitch. Bro, you suck. I killed you and you're mad. Why are you mad? We need to hold hands for these guys because they were holding hands. They were coming a bunch at a time. Kill him! Oh, fucking. Wait. What? Man. Am I missing that much? Oh no, he killed more people. It's like he's switching them on and off. We need to hold hands, kids. Shit. Wait, there's a kid down there. Whoa, 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 whoa. What? Bro. Fuck off, kid. Like, there's so many people there. Why are you focusing me? Like, because I missed a bunch of shots just now? What a piece of shit. Give me something good. I don't care, man. Give me something I can fuck them up with. Long distance, fuck. Okay, that didn't sound good. I'm sorry. I take that back. Fucking shit, bro. Can you fuck off? How am I missing, man? Oh, they got purple. Oh. Oh, you're gonna be dead with your purple, kid. Peek. Let's go. No way, man. Wait. That's not... What? Bro. Oh, he's coming for me? Why am I going slow with Octane? Is my game glitching? Like, oh hell no. I need help. At least we won this time. Yeah, that was so bad. On to the next one. What is that? A care package? I mean, an Apex pack? Great. Awesome, I got some legendary skins.
Every decision counts.
EA is so good. Look at that. Amazing, amazing things in the packs. Unless you spent like 500 bucks, you ain't getting nothing good in these packs. So fucked up. Let me go with this guy. Let me go with the dupester.
Grapple locked and loaded.
Ever feel the freedom of soaring through the sky? Do you wanna?
Wait, that's weird. It says here the most commonly used... Wait, let me let this guy talk. The most commonly used weapon combination in Apex Legends is Wingman and Peacekeeper. But that's like old, right? Like that was back in season 10 or something. Not now. I guess the Wingman is the most used weapon, but not in the combination with Peacekeeper. And with the new event dropping soon on the 28th, that's gonna be exciting. Did you guys hear about the Loba skin, the swimsuit? We're gonna get swimsuits. Dupes to the rescue. Fuck. Oh no, you're gonna die. Shit. Wait. Oh no. This audio is so bad. Get him, fucking shit. Ouch! Damn it. Oh god. Wow, this kid was just camping there. That's hella annoying. If they just camp it and they still kill me, that's so annoying. I need to get this kid for annoying me. I need to get payback. Where'd you go? Don't die now. Damn it. Why did my gun not shoot? Like, that's crazy. It's just crazy to me. I'm gonna put one here. I'm gonna put one here. Shit, I wanted that kill. I should have probably shot at him. Go help. Oh shit. Wait, what? Ouch. And I didn't do shit, really. I got just one kill. These guys are killing off everybody. Oh shit, there's a kid down there. Get him. I should have killed this kid. Oh shit.
Bamboozles for the fools. That was better in my mind. You got bamboozled. You got bamboozled.
Oh, they're shooting my bamboozles. That's good. What? What? Fucking shit, I just healed. Fuck me. Wait, what? Here? In your Discord, but I'm on phone. Okay. Whoa. Oh no. Damn it. That's hella annoying. Fuck. Fuck. Oh, fuck me, bro. Oh, fuck. I was just about to say. So many people dying. Fuck off. Oh shit. No! Damn it! They're just two people. Why are we getting a knife already? Come on. Come on. Bro, I have so much FPS right now. I'm used to getting more FPS. I don't know why I have not that much. It's like, fuck this. I don't know which one is the real one. Wait. Ouch! Fucking... Oh. Oh, we won? Okay. No thanks to me again. They got bamboozled. Wait, I want to see how I did. I probably did really bad, but I want to see it. Hola, Space Cowboy. ¿Cómo estás? Bienvenido. I've been good. How are you? I didn't see you yesterday. No estabas jugando Rocket League ayer. I played a little bit and I was waiting for you, for my bunny, but then my bunny didn't show up, so I was so sad. I was so sad yesterday. How are you doing today? It was Sage yesterday. No, I want to play Watson. Watson is good on this map. I played a lot of what's it called? Wait, not Chat GPT. VR chat yesterday. That was so much fun. You should get a VR chat, Space Cowboy. You should make a VR chat account. That would be so much fun. We can do a bunch of awesome stuff together, like play a bunch of games and go dancing and do a bunch of awesome stuff in virtual reality. I'm not sure if you're into that type of game, but I had so much fun yesterday. But I'm good, I'm very good. I was just a little sad yesterday because I didn't see you, but I'm doing good. We're good now. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Is there a kid here? Oh, fucking die! Please don't come behind me. Oh, no, no, no! Die! I want to kill him! This is a dumb idea, but I shouldn't have done this. You're kidding me. Okay, kid. Oh my god. I can't believe he pulled that off on me. I'm so bad. Oh shit. Come on in. Reload, motherfucker. Fuck shit. Yeah. I need to heal probably. The guy up top. Kill him, kill him! Fuck. Oh man. Come on, why am I so slow, bro? I actually got him. Need to go up top. Oh shit. Fucking kill him! Oh fuck, I'm dead. Oh, I'm not. Oh no, oh no. Fuck. Why am I so slow? Oh shit. I'm so slow. Wait. Ouch! Fucking camper. This bloodhound is so bad. says I with the 1 kill. Oh man. He has like 4 kills. Wait. Fuck. Ah! Oh no, he killed you? Where is he? Oh shit. No, why am I? Oh my god! I could have totally killed him. I just had to wait and put my fence there in the corner where he is. He would have died to the fence. Fuck. Man, that would have been so easy. What? I'm taking my time with this. Where are you? Bro, my aim is so bad. I think my DPI is too low. I should put it up a little bit. Or I should up my sensitivity a bit. Oh, that kid is one. No, no, no. Shit. Oh, no. My nose. Let me hold the door. Oh, that kid just turned to slob. Wait. Oh no, it's not us. Oh, that kid is one. Can you, like, oh man. Oh, there's a bunch of, there's a party in there. Oh no, there's someone here. Ouch. Wait, what? Sorry for yesterday. I've been having issues with the controller. Okay. Oh, that's okay. No problem. I do not have a VR headset yet, but I do play the VR. Just on PC. Wait, we didn't win. Why am I doing that? Sage. Ah, control? I don't like control. Oh, there you go. Oh no, it's broken, man. Forget it. Forget it. Okay, buddy. I should play VR on stream so you guys could see how funny it is. It is so funny. People just talk shit. A bunch of kids. Why didn't I send you a DM? Right. That's true, that's true. Yeah, I coulda send you a DM to tell you I'm on. But it was pretty late too, so I'm not sure if you're awake or busy.
I'm looking for someone special to take out. Valkyrie on station, ready for anything. Hell,
Anything.
everything.
Everything.
Introducing your champion.
Road to 3k kills. Wow, this kid has 6k kills on Wraith. Let's get it. What? Oh. Oh no. What the? Oh, give me a weapon. Fuck. Shit. No, no! Oh, I'm so dead. This is low, but it's low. Not really. Oh shit. He's punching you in your back. Oh no. Wow, we're so bad. You always sleep late? That's good to know. That's very good to know. I'm waiting for Control to get over with. Oh no, no, let's just do Control. Control could be fun sometimes. As long as I can play Pathfinder, it's good. Or this girl. She can move around quickly. Yeah. I should have a drink. Come on, did I not press already? Of course I didn't. I thought I did. What's in the store? What? That's like 60 bucks. Holy shit, these people are crazy. These people are fucking crazy, man. Oh, I didn't see that. Man, EA is so expensive. I wish they would lower their prices. It's so fucked up because, I mean, aren't there a lot of people playing this game? Why do they still have to be expensive? That's just crazy. Crazy talk.
Today's a good day to see death.
I don't get it.
It's all for death out there.
I'm in control mode, right?
I understand.
I hope. Yeah. We're the full team. That's good. Let's do this. See how that goes. Hey Chino, what's good? Losing again? Oh, you know how it goes. All we do is lose. No, I'm kidding, I'm kidding. That was a loss though, the last one. And the one before that. I played Gun Run and we didn't win, so I guess that's an L. Go! What the? You see that? How does he get the jump pad so quick? That's hella sus. Like, what? Give me that. Brrrah. Am I in? I am, right? Yeah. Oh shit. shit. Wait, what? Oh. Oh, I think I threw it up for no reason. I just wasted a nade. An arc star. Oh. No! Why am I dead sliding like a stupid person? What? Bro, my movement is so off today. My settings must have been changed. Let me check out my mouse settings. I'm pretty sure the DPI is fucked. Come on. Open up the G hub. Oh shit. Wait, is that a frenemy? Fuck. Whoa. Who is he shooting at? Oh, there's a kid in here. Fuck. Where is he? Where is he? Oh, I can't see him. Bangalore's hella annoying. Hella annoying. So I can get a gold body shield. Let me check out what's in there. This is a oh nah, the 30-30. Nobody wants that. What's good, Chino? How you doing? How you doing today? Everything good? Oh, these weapons suck. Nobody wants that. How's everything going today for you? What games have you been playing these days? What day is it? Is it Friday yet? Yeah, it is, right? I don't even know anymore. I work so much, it's like every day is just weekday to me. But we good, we good. Let me use this girl's superpower. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Wait, what? Where is he? Yaddy! I didn't kill him though. Oh shit. Wow, I fucking one-clipped him. Oh no you don't. What? Oh, how did I miss all my shots? Yikes. It's that same Bangalore again, probably. Yup. The Bangalore is everywhere. Go with Patty. Oh wait. Oh no, by an enemy? You gotta kill this kid. Oh shit. Fucking shit. Oh wait. That kid was air punching. Yeah, what? Bro. Leave me alone! Wow! Wow, he still got me? That's crazy. And with a wingman, that's... Nah. I don't believe that. Hell no. Wow. He got 100 on me? Like a heady. A headshot on me. Sheesh. Right now, testing Diablo 4 beta. Oh, okay, that's out. Wow. Alright. I don't know what's up with this thing. Yesterday, it was fine. I already took it apart and put it back together. Oh. So you fixed it? That's good. I hope you did. Wait. Yeah. Man, we're all so bad shots. And I'm surprised when people beat me. Okay. Forget it. Wow, this kid, he needs to roll over. Not gonna say what follows, but he needs to roll over and do that. He needs to get the fuck over himself. Hella crazy. Kids these days, they're so full of themselves. It's crazy. Man, I'm craving some... Ooh, I can have some noodles. I'm gonna put some noodles in a bit. Or maybe I could put it now and check it in like 5 minutes. Or wait, noodles takes like 3 minutes, right? Oh no, I can't do that. I gotta wait till this thing is over. I can't go now. Okay, let me check out my my DPI now. Where do I check that? Here, okay. What's my DPI? Oh, there we go. Oh, it's at 500? Come on. I need at least 1K or something. Let's do, yeah, let's do that. Okay. Why is this so slow, bro? No wonder my aim is so bad. So slow. No, this thing is hella slow. I can't. Yeah, I want to do... Yeah, let's do this. Is it faster now? I think it is. Yeah, much better. Oh shit, they're holding hands. Sheesh. Wow. Sage. I don't know, I'll make today, Bunny. You don't know if you'll make it? Oh man. No. Not again. Claro, odia porque quiere hablar en inglés. Configuraciones español. It's okay. Puedes hablar español. Yo te comprendo, pero mi español no es muy bien comparado con mi inglés. Wow. Oh, these kids hold hands. Help! Help! Wait, my DPI is still low. Bro, you're one shot and you still chow me? Oh, that's another one. There's like 2 of them. Sheesh, look at that. 2 Pathfinders, 2 Octanes. Man, this thing is hella slow. I can't do this. Let me put this up. Let's do 3.5 maybe. Yeah, I think this is better. Wow, bro. Like, there's people everywhere. Fuck. Man. Wait, why is my stream over? What the? Oh, wait. Okay. Oh, it's on my... Okay, here. What the fuck, man? Did I press number 2? Oh, yeah, I had to fill in. I had to fill in the numbers. I'm sorry, guys. I have the numpad as a stream deck kind of thing. Wow, bro. Leave me alone. Give me that. What? Wait. I just fucking healed, man. Oh, it dropped on him. Oh shit, we're so dead, kid. Fucking shit, get off my back. You toddler. You're so holding hands, man. Hella dumb. Look at them. Bro. Fuck off, kids. Y'all are holding hands like crazy. Holy fuck. Y'all are so bad. How are you kids this bad? Look at them. A few of them chasing. Come on, give me up. Oh, you got him? Nice. Why am I dead sliding? Fuck me. Give me a Kraber or something. No. Sure. Where is he? Oh shit. Bro, this kid is not dead yet? Ah! Hide! You're one with the plants. I'm one with the plants. Oh shit. Damn, they killed everybody over here. That's bad. It helped me. It helps you to practice, so no problem. Just it changes my words for something in Spanish. Oh. Bro, fucking die. Wait, that was a bad grapple. Oh my god. Oh no. That was a bad grapple again. Bro, fuck off me, kid. Bitch. Get the fuck off me. There was a kid there. Fucking shit. Yeah. Help me! I'm born with the plants? Yeah. Oh no, a guy left. No. I just now noticed, but he was gone for a while. Get him, get him, get him. Oh god. Oh no! I didn't realize I had that. Damn it, I thought I had the alternator. Why'd ya? Let's do this. Oh damn. Oh shit. I knew he was gonna throw something. Die! Die, kid! Did you guys kill him? Did you get him? Oh shit. That's why you gotta have patience. Oh shit, they're holding hands again. Oh, now you're jumping off, huh? Get this kid! Oh, he's not dead yet? Fuck. Oh no! He doesn't know where I am. He doesn't know where I am. Fuck. No, no, no. Fuck. Hold on. Shit. Is he here again? Fuck. Fucking shit. Fuck. There's so many here. No. No. Oh, wait, we lost? Oh, that sucks. Oh, that sucks. That sucks so bad. This game makes people rage, and it really hurts when you lose. They should make it more fun to lose in Apex. Not more fun, but you know, like more pleasant for people, because it really sucks. This whole game feels like you're losing all the time because you have to pay so much money to buy these cool skins and stuff. Oh my god, I want this. I always wanted this one. That's what I'm talking about. Like, oh, bro. They make you spend so much money and it feels so bad to play.
Wanna fly? I make a great wingman.
Oh, that's a beautiful skin. I'm gonna mute this kid. I can't. I've been playing Warzone these days. I like the weapons. How the weapons feel. The way the weapons feel. Okay. Wow. I wish I could. I still can't play it because there's some files that are corrupt or something. I'm not sure. I can show you guys. I could start it up here on stream so you can see. So you can see what it does. It starts up good and then I follow what it says, but then it gets stuck. It's so weird. Come on, don't that slide. Ooh. Wait. That's actually a kid? Ouch! Oof. Wow. Raid is so OP. Ooh. No, go, go, go. Bro, Raid is so OP.
Catching myself up.
I should play more often. Oh, wow. Damn. Bro. Yo. Oh, it's an octane. Sugar, please! Oh my god, how could you let him kill me, bro? Wow. No fucking way.
Leaving my mark on this one.
Oh no. Oof. Get wrecked, kid. Oh, my DPI is definitely better now. Why am I so slow? Oh god. Oh god, I need help! I need help! I need help! I need help! Ah! Fuck. Fucking shit! Look at me moving. I can't believe I moved my head to try to move. Oh my god. Fuck. Oh shit. Come on, bro. No! Fuck. Oh no, I'm so dead. I'm so dead! Or not. Oh, I can't believe I escaped that. That's crazy. Wait. Okay, buddy.
Throwing thermite grenade.
Where are ya? Fucking shit, kid. How are you not dead? You know I'm coming for you. Oh shit. I fell. What the fuck is that, a horse? What? Wow. Wait, what? He's still peeking? Can you believe that? hell no, I can't take the call right now. Oh shit. Wait, what? Oh, that must be the wrong number, because nobody would call me at this time. They especially know I'm streaming, right? Fucking shit. Hi, kid. Please don't call me, please. Not right now. Not right now, please. At least I can play. You can't play? What do you mean? I can't play. I cannot play. Oh, you're kidding me. Well, they got angles. All good. All good, all good. Bro, how did I miss all my shots? Fuck. Come on. Oh shit. Where you going? Wait, where'd he go? Oh. Oh, that's incredible. Let me get this. No, how did I miss him? I cracked him, then I missed him. Who's this kid shooting? Oh no. Fuck. Oh shit. Oh no, don't death slide. No, no, no. Wait, what? Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. No, no! Why did that cancel my shit? Oh, man. And I'm still stunned? Come on. Come on, camera. Oh, man. Why does it do that? Come on, come on, come on. Fuck. Fuck. Man, I'm so bad with this shit. Wow. No, no, no. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh god, I'm so dead. No! Oh, why am I still on that? My control issues still doesn't fix? Oh, you didn't... Oh no, you didn't fix it? That sucks. That's not good. No. That means you're not gonna play, Bunny. I'm not gonna see my bunny again today. What? Oh, he probably asked that. Oh, what am I doing, bro? What's that? Oh no, they have... Okay, okay, I gotta get serious now. Because they're actually winning. They need 10 more and we're done. Guys, we need to hold hands. Wait, what? Come on, bro. He's one. What? Like, what? Man, you throw these smokes and I can't see, but they can see me. That's fucking crazy. Let's go in. Uh-oh. Leave me alone. Ouch. Fuck off. There's a bug flying here. Kaiser Sose died. Kaiser Sose is dead. Oh no, bro. Ugh. He's like one shot. Ouch. Help me out! Why am I dead sliding? Fuck. Whoa, bro. Oh, fuck. Oh my god, I'm so dead. Whoa, what? Damn it, bro. This kid actually wants to kill me with the... Did he get stunned? Is that why? Please kill him. Oh man, he was just one shot. Or one blow. Oh, that doesn't sound too good. No, no. Wait, we're both nearing victory. Guys, don't die, don't die. Oh no. Oh shit, another one. Fucking shit, leave me alone.
You're in their sights.
I need help, guys. Oh god. Are you guys dying? No! Bro. You can't even see me, kids. Ah, can you hear the music? I hope you can. Because I can't. Not that much. I'm playing Raid because I have to do it for the challenge. Is the music too loud now? Yeah, I think it sounds too loud. Like that, okay.
We have no choice but to win.
Be good sports and don't die too quick.
Oh no, the music is way too loud. Okay, we're in gun run. I love it. Let's go, baby. Okay. Ah. Fuck. Yo. Wait. Lobita? Oh shit. I'm kinda clueless, Lobita. Bro, what? Oh, hell no. Fuck. Fuck. Come on, come on. Run, 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 run. Run, little bitch. Oh, shit. Heal? Can I? May I heal? Oh shit. Fuck. No, someone else killed him? Fuck. They stole my kill. Oh, 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 oh. Man, these Lovas are clueless. Fuck. Fuck. That one is... She was one shot too. Both of the Lovas were one shot. Wait. Oh. Fuck. Oh shit, they're holding hands. Oh man. That's a good one, Lova. She said, learn the steps before you try to tango with me. Okay, buddy. Oh no, I can't see shit. Oh, fuck. Fuck. No! Are they on the same team? Oh, man. That sucks. Bro, this guy has 10 damage? Or does he have 10 kill? I don't get it. I don't understand. You need to send the drone before us, guy. My guy. Oh shit. Yeah, we know. Fuck. Oh god. Oh shit. Oh! I almost got away. Almost. Almost. What time is it? I have a date at 11. In VR chat. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I was supposed to meet them again today, though. Not that I have a date. Bro, help me out. Yo, help me out. Fuck. 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 Oh my god, bro. No, no, what? Wait, they both died? I can't believe that. Shit. Oh shit. Oh god. Fucking die. Wow, Lova. Why are you such a camper? Come on. Oh shit, don't get stuck under the thing. Oh god! Lovita is chasing me. Where is he? He's still chasing, but he doesn't know where I am. There he is. Oh my god. Oh, how did I miss him? Oh shit. There's a kid coming for me! Oh, he's one shot. Oh shit. Go, 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 go! Oh shit. There he is. No, they won? No fucking way, bro. Wait, what? This Loba got it? No fucking way, bro. No fucking way. Ah, too bad. Come Rocket League, Bunny? You in a Rocket League? Your control is working? Is your control working? Let me know. If your control is working, then I'll come. If it's not, no. Ooh, World's Edge. I'm gonna do one more in here, okay? I might die real quick, but that's a good thing. If I do. Wait, oh no, that music is gonna get censored. No, 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 no. What does this one play? Oh, it's way too loud now. Why is Apex Legends so low? Okay.
Remember, eyes on the prize.
VR chat needs a powerful PC. I don't think so. No. You don't think your PC can handle it? You can try. I've played it on a really bad PC once. So I'm pretty sure you can use it. Give me a weapon. Oh man. Oh my god, where are the weapons? Thank you. Oh shit. Where are they? Oh my god, there's people every fucking where. Wow, bro. Y'all don't have weapons? I was getting shots by everybody. Oh god. Damn. Yep. Send you a link. It's on Steam. Do you have a Steam account? Let me see if I can find a link. Steam. Oh, I don't have my Steam account on the streaming PC. Let's see. Yeah. Wait. What do you mean in real life? What? Wait, what? Because with the money of a real good PC, I prefer buy an airplane, take it to Curacao, and hang out with you. Oh, that's nice. IRL? Yeah, of course. That's pretty cool. That would be cool, yeah. I'm always working though, so we could hang out in the weekends probably. Let's see, where am I gonna find that? VR chat. Oh, okay. Let me just... This is the website. Let me send it in chat. I need to get a few kills.
Gold goes so well with a diamond like me.
You'd rather come watch me work? Uh-huh. You don't know what you're missing. Like, VR chat is so much fun. It's so much fun, for real. There's so much to do in there. We could talk. Let's close this. Let's close this. Oh. Oh gosh. Give me a weapon. Oh my god, no. No. Fucking shit, bro. Fuck. 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 I just did that so I can grab the ammo. Fuck. My nose! It's annoying me. Ooh, there's a party over there. Oh no, kid. Oh. Oh, he's coming up to you. Fuck. Where'd he go?
Guess the champion couldn't keep up. An enemy shield.
Oh shit. Oh no 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 no. Oh no, kid. Fuck. Fuck. Oh, he left. Oh shit. Fuck. Where's he? Where'd he go? Come on, come on, come on. Fuck. Oh, give me that.
Enemy here.
Let's get him. Oh shit, he's up there. It's all good. I'm coming from this way. Wait, did he drop? Okay, he put some of this. Where'd he go? Oh, he went to get the fucking banners. Fuck. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go, man? He probably left already. Where'd he go? Where'd he fucking go? Oh, he's still here. Fuck, I need help. I need help, bro. Bruh. He's one. Oh my god. This kid, bro. Fuck me. Come get me, come get me, come get me. Oh my god, kid. Fuck, he's coming back. Fuck. Oh god, he's fully healed. Oh my god, that's so bad. So bad. I can't believe that. That's hella annoying. This kid was so bad. He wasn't even good. He was so bad. I cannot believe this shit. Wow. It will be the flight then? Have a nice flight. So is your controller working or not? Wait, did I get all of this? Oh, that's nice. Damn it. Every time I try to look at that, I don't have enough time. I should have looked. Maybe it was gun run. Yeah, it is. What are you talking about? Oh, it's working? Okay. I'm gonna jump over to Rocket League in a bit. In just a little bitty. Man, this is taking so long. Can I leave? Yeah, thank you. Why is it taking so long? Team deathmatch, fine. Fine, demonio. I want to go with Lifeline. Even though Lifeline can't do shit. Oh, let me go with... What's his name? The big guy. With the shield. I want the big guy with the shield. What's his name again? Jackson. I don't know. This guy.
I've been dreaming of this moment all day.
I've also been asleep all day.
This ring's got a date with me, myself, and I. It's a lucky ring.
Let's go, baby. The big boy. Playing with the big boys now. Oh, let's get this. That Mirage is looking mighty fine. Why did I get stuck on nothing? That's stupid. Oh god. Yeah, nice. Thank you. Fuck. No, I got shot in the back. I should have put that behind me and then walk forward. That would have been a smart play. No? Yeah? Oh, this guy feels so slow, but I'm pretty sure it's because he's just big. His animations are slow. Wait, what? What's shooting at me? Wait. My nose! Oh god. Oh man, if only I could 1v1 him. Vincent Lozier. Vicente Lozier. Okay, let's do this. I can change it to that yet. Je parle un peu français. Man, this guy feels so slow. I can't stand it. These guys are killing people. Oh. Oh. Oh no. Wait, what? Oh god. That's a friend? I thought he was the enemy. Come on. Ah! He's coming for me. Oh, okay. Wait, where's the shotty? I want his shotty. Oh, come on, bro. Oh, he's above. Can you? Fucking die, Lova. Damn, bro. I need help. I forgot I had nades. Oh no. They're above. Oh no! No! Protect me! Oh, oh god, wow. Don't die, don't die! Ooh, my shield is actually protecting me. I'm stuck here. Oh! Fucking shit. Oh! She killed herself! Oh god. I got a buster here. Protect me. What? What's that? Wait, what? Okay, buddy. I'm coming for you. You have a craver? Beautiful. Ooh. He has a Craver up there. I'm going for it. I think it's a Craver. Yeah. Let's fucking go. Did you have a Craver, kid? Oh, come on. Go, 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 go. Uh-oh. I have 2 slow guns. Fuck. No, 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 no. I need help! Oh, guys. I run so slow. Damn. I need to get above somewhere. Oh no. Oh, I thought it was an enemy. Come on. Come on, bro. What? Get wrecked, kid. Get wrecked, kid. Come on, get up. No way I missed him. Shit! Oh god. Fuck. Oh no. Fuck. Wait. Damn it. Oh, I have only 2 more. Fuck. Oh man. I had only 2 shots and I missed one. Get wrecked, kid. I need another weapon. Wait, give me that. I don't mind. Oh shit. Give me that. Fuck. Oh. Oh god. Did you get him? Oh. Nice. Whee! Let's go, baby. That was fun. I did pretty good with this guy. I'm playing with an old controller because the other just didn't work. So I'll be there for the lol sweat for the... What is that? Why does it look so pixelated to me? There's only flights with stopovers in Bogota. Oh, okay. Too bad. Wait, how many kills did I get? Nice. Let's go, baby. It's time to hop on over to Rocket League. At first, I'm gonna take a break, though. I think that's it for the stream for today. Thank you guys. Thank you for tuning in. Thanks Chino for always being there as always. I appreciate it. Thank you Space Cowboy. Thanks to Ray. He was here earlier today. Thank you so much. Thank you to all the lurkers. I appreciate you. Thanks for everything. Alright guys, I'll catch you on the next... I was gonna say on the next flight. I'll catch you guys on the next stream, alright? Bye guys!